everybody, and welcome to our last online celebration assembly, because next week we'll have everybody back in school and we'll be able to do lovely assemblies in school to celebrate your achievements.
Rewards and reception this week go to Thomas Spiller for super reading and Evie O'Neill for fantastic reading at home. And our head teachers awards this week are for Isla Bousfield for making a fantastic hedgehog house, for Violet Wilson for creating a fantastic book cover for a mystery book, Lily Mae White for super work at home, and Daniel Caldani for super writing about hedgehogs. Well done everyone!
Good morning reception, I hope everybody's had a great week. Sydney would like to know if you are fine and dandy, and we're looking forward to seeing you next week.
Happy Friday reception, hope you're all keeping safe and we can't wait to see you next week.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Rewards in Year 1 this week are our Readers of the Week, it's Thea Scullion for fantastic effort in phonics, Imogen Twizel for reading every single day, and Seth Atkin for wonderful work and reading about rainforests and a fantastic comprehension. Handwriting awards in Year 1 this week are Freddie Smithson for trying his best, to Louis Schultz for continuing to work on his handwriting, and Theo Wheater for excellent number formation this week. Smarty Pants Awards, Isabel Champion for fantastic number bond work, Nathan Moyle for investigating and comparing values, and Oscar Udale for working really hard with doubles this week. And Head Teachers Awards, to all of the children who have been in school, we are so very proud of all of you. And also Charlie Routledge for a fabulous effort this week. And also all of the children who have been working at home, we're very proud of you too. Well done everybody.
Happy Friday! We can't wait to see you.
Okay, so these are our awards in Year 2. Reading awards this week go to Isha Foster for completing her stamp card, and Melanie McNulty for remembering to read at home and bringing her reading book to school. And we've got a spelling award for Jessica Campbell for having an excellent score in her spellings, and Ebony Gawley for improving her score. Hobble writers this week are Spencer Keenan for a fantastic letter, and Agustin Major for trying so hard with his writing even though he finds it challenging. And our handwriters this week for beautiful handwriting are Joshua Forser and Nancy Hill. Smarty Pants Award goes to Miles Clarkson for excellent work on money and giving change, and Darcy Balharry for improvement in her work on money. And the Head Teachers Awards go to Chloe Twizel for always trying her best on Shobi, and Regan Wilson for remembering lots of information about our science topic, animals and humans. Well done to all of you.
Hello Year 2! Well done to everybody for working so hard on Shobi and in school this week. Well done.
We are so excited that we're going to have you all back in school with us next week.
See you on Monday.
Bye!
Rewards in Year 3 this week go to Fabulous Handwriting for Harry Coles and Scarlett Gingell. Writers this week are Thea Love for a spectacular comprehension on invertebrates, and Max Ralston for amazing work correcting writing mistakes. Brilliant readers this week are Oscar Thomas and also Kobe Locker-Milne for using 2 texts to answer the questions really well. Smarty Pants Awards this week are Harry Spiller for excellent confidence when telling the time, and Elena Hatfield for accuracy when telling the time and writing the time. And our Head Teachers Awards this week are for Lola Plowman-Kane for working sensibly at all times, for Lucy Errington for always being polite and helpful, for Amelia Exton for a huge improvement in telling the time, and for Isla Fleming for always completing her work to a very high standard. Fantastic everybody, well done!
Well done Year 3 for your final week of home learning. I can't wait to see all your gorgeous smiling faces on Monday. See you soon.
Well done everyone, another fantastic week. Keep it up, see you soon. Miss you.
And these are our award winners in Year 4. For reading, it's Riley Hulse for Levelling Up on Reading Plus, and Alicia Clawton for an excellent attitude towards reading. And for Pobble, it's Luke Little and Madison Warner for super character descriptions. And in handwriting, it's Noah Field and Megan Cowling for beautifully presented work. Our Smarty Pants Awards go to Jaden Foster for excellent work on Area this week, and Gracie Lennox for an excellent attitude towards her maths work. And the Head Teachers Awards go to Marla Stewart for making a fantastic instrument in science this week, and Alfie Sterling for being so enthusiastic and happy in school. Well done everybody.
Hi Year 4, well done for all of your amazing work this week and for all of the last few weeks whilst you've been learning at home. Well done to our winners this week as well.
Can't wait to see you all next week.
See you on Monday!
And now Year 5. Reading this week, the award winners are Connie Lightowler for always being an enthusiastic reader, and Alfie Mowbray for super reading on Reading Plus. Our Pobble writer is Max Humphrey for his super dialogue between Aslan and the White Witch. Handwriters are Freya Donnelly for always displaying beautiful handwriting and presentation, and Emily Brooks for her beautifully presented work. Smarty Pants Awards go to Matthew Warner for trying really hard in his morning maths, and AJ Hipkins for always trying hard with his morning maths. And the Head Teachers Awards go to Ella Grace Barber for always taking pride in her work and for being enthusiastic, and Macy Eyre for being engaged in all of her online lessons. Well done everybody.
Hi everybody, well done Year 5, we're so proud of you. Can't wait to see you all on Monday, so well done for everyone that's been working so hard, and I'll see you very soon.
Rewards in the EMS this week go to Nathan Winter for fantastic reading and designing a brilliant book cover. Handwriting Award to Cole Alcock for an improvement in his letter formation. Smarty Pants Award goes to Ollie Williams for great work on telling the time. And Isabella Simpson gets the Head Teachers Award this week for an excellent week's work. Well done everybody.
Well done everyone, it's another really great week with people working very hard on all of their apps. Really looking forward to seeing you all next week back in school. Bye!
These are our Year 6 award winners. Pobble writers are Jessica Exton and Jacob Lawson for excellent writing this week. Our Reader of the Week is Ashton Lennox for engaging with Floodland and answering the questions each day. Handwriting Awards go to Jessica Rice for beautifully presented piece of writing in English this week, and Hannah Nearney for excellent presentation and accuracy of work. Smarty Pants Awards go to Josh Allen for showing resilience with challenging maths this week, Newton Pinto for excellent accuracy with calculations this week, well done, and Luke Mendon for great effort with his fractions, keep it up. The Head Teachers Awards this week go to Noah Kelsey for great work on an afternoon this week, Mason Crawford for being the perfect role model and always being the best he can be, Sasha Woodward for always showing positivity and enthusiasm, and Scarlett Hunter for being courageous and being the best she can be always, a real superstar. Well done everybody, and we're looking forward to seeing absolutely everybody back in school next week.
Hi Year 6, you've all been absolutely amazing since January and we're so proud of you. You've shown all of the school values.
We've missed you so much and we cannot wait to see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye.